This is how to back up WhatsApp messages on a new phone. First thing you want to do is look up WhatsApp on the App Store, find the WhatsApp Messenger, and update and install the app. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up the app. Once you've opened up the app and you've created an account or signed back into an account, we're going to go in the bottom right to settings right here. Here we're going to go to chats, option where it says chat backup. And here it says back up your chat history and media to iCloud. So if you lose your iPhone or switch to a new one, your chat history is safe. You can restore your chat history and media when you reinstall WhatsApp. So in order to save your messages on your new iPhone, you want to go ahead and press on backup now. And we'll start backing up everything. There's also an option right here that says auto backup. If you like, you can put that to monthly, weekly, or daily, just so you don't have to come back and manually back it up all the time. So when you get a new phone and you download a WhatsApp app and it asks you to create an account, it'll also ask you if you'd like to import previous chats. And of course, you want to press yes on that, and you should be able to go through the steps of linking your iCloud so none of your chats go away. That is how to back up chat messages on WhatsApp.